If you want to charge other devices by using your Samsung Galaxy S26, you can for sure do this. Take a look. First of all, you can use wired methods, so we can have to connect the USB-C cable into your S26 or into this other smartphone. Now I'm connecting this. As you can see, it just starts charging S26 instead of the second phone, but you have to just make few switches until it starts charging this second phone. Okay, cool. Now it's not working, but previously it was working for some reason when I start recording. It's some kind of the problem. There we go, now it works. So sometimes you have to just unplug these cables for multiple times until it just starts charging proper device. But there's also the second method of using this, and it's actually the wireless power sharing. So as you know, the S26 support wireless charging, and if you turn on that option, then you can put second phone on the back of the S26, like on this animation, and it will start charging other phones, smartwatches, or for example, the earbuds. So we got two methods, wireless and wired, and this smartphone actually support wireless and wired reverse charging. Thanks for watching. I hope you find it useful.